What's up guys, and for today's video we're going to be doing a test on the Stylo 4 stylus pen. Alright, so let's go ahead and just test out the pop-up lens. Basically this feature allows you to zoom in to anything. It's like a microscope, basically enlarging everything. Let's see what else we can have here. GIF capture. This allows you to create a GIF if you want it. You just record. And then, yeah, very simple. You can save it then. You can edit it if you wanted. Also, the best one I like is I actually can just draw on anything. So I took a screenshot of the wallpaper and now I can just write on it anything you wanted and then just save it to the gallery. So, and the stylus pen is very easy to use. Like I can show you right now, I can go to the menu, I can click on any item, I can go from screen to screen. It's pretty simple. It's very accurate, and that's what's very good about this advanced stylus pen that they have on this Stylo 4. There you guys have it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.